Hello students, today we are going to solve 10th standard geometry, second chapter, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, in that problem set 2, second one is solve the following examples. Okay, find the height of an equilateral triangle having side 2A. Okay, here it is equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all the sides of a triangle are of equal length and all the angles of equilateral triangles are they measures equal. Okay, they are okay. So let's draw one equilateral triangle. Okay, so here is an equilateral triangle. Okay, all the sides are, see, equilateral triangle having sides 2A. All the three sides are of equal length and all the measure of all the angles are same, equal measures. They all measure equal. This is means that is 60. The sum of triangles, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. No, so each measures 60 degree. Okay, so find the height. So we have to draw one perpendicular line. This is height. Okay, this is height. So let it be D. Okay, so triangle ABC, let's solution. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. And segment AD. Segment AD be the height of a triangle ABC. Okay, and angle B is 60 degree. Okay, angle B is a 60 degree. In triangle AB, now this is the height. So in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, angle B plus angle A, and this is perpendicular line, so angle BDA is a 90 degree. Okay, so in triangle ABD, angle B plus angle D plus angle BAD is 180 degree. No, BAD is 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, angle B plus angle A and angle D is 180 degree. So, angle B is 60 degree plus angle D is 90 degree. Angle BAD, that we don't know, total is 180 degree. Therefore, angle BAD is 180 minus 60. 90 plus 60 is 150. That is 30. Therefore, angle BAD is 30 degree. No, angle BA is 30 degree. Here in this, now it is this triangle is 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. That is a property of a right angle triangle. No, therefore we have to find out the length of AD. Find the height. We have to find out the height AD. Okay, so according to that 30, 60, 90 degree property, the side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 by 2 times its hypotenuse. This is what that property says. No, then we will, okay, therefore we'll write. So therefore triangle ADB is 30, 60, 90-degree triangle. Okay, therefore by 30, 60, 90-degree triangle theorem we have to find out the height of the length of AD. We have to find out AD. Therefore this opposite side of 60 is AD. Therefore AD is root 3 by 2 of its hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is here AB, of AB. Okay, therefore AD is root 3 by 2 into AB is 2A. 2 got cancelled, so root 3A, that is AD. AD is root 3A. Okay, and this formula is for side opposite to 60 degree. Okay, this formula for side opposite to 60 degree. Okay, so root 3 AD is to root 3A. Therefore answer is height of a equilateral triangle is root 3A. Okay, second one is, do sides 7 cm, 24 cm, 25 cm form a right angle triangle? Give reason. Okay, so let's check now. So in this, first here it is sides are 7 cm, 24 cm and 25 cm. Therefore 7 square is 49, 24 square is how much? 576. 25 square is 625. Okay, therefore 7 square plus 24 square, that is 49, plus 576, how much? 49. $65. 625. Therefore see, this 25 square, this is 65. Therefore this, do sides of a 7, this form a right angle triangle. Yes, this forms a right angle triangle, because the third side, the greatest larger side, maybe this 25 centimeters, the larger side, square of the larger side is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. Okay, so this makes right angle triangle. Therefore 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter form a right angle triangle. Okay, therefore answer is the given sides form an right angle triangle. Okay. So in this is actually converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So it is, we have to prove that this is right angle triangle. Okay. Here it is. So this is because here it will write here by, therefore by converse of Pythagoras theorem. By converse of Pythagoras theorem, these three sides form a right angle triangle. Okay. Third one is find find the length of a diagonal of a rectangle having sides 11 centimeter and 60 centimeter. Okay. So one rectangle will draw. Here is a rectangle. Okay. Let's name it A, B, C, D. So find the length of a diagonal. So this is a diagonal. Okay, we have to find out AC here. Find the length of a diagonal of a rectangle having sides 11 and 60. This is 11 centimeter and this is 60 centimeter. Okay, therefore solution is A, B, C, D is a rectangle. And in rectangle, you know the property of rectangle is opposite sides are equal. All the angles measures 90 degree. No, all the angles measures 90 degree. Here it is ABCD is a rectangle, and we have a triangle ABC. No, in triangle ABC, angle ABC is a 90 degree. No, ABC is a 90 degree. Therefore, this becomes a hypotenuse. Side straight opposite to a right angle is a hypotenuse. Therefore, AC here we can use Pythagoras theorem. No, 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Therefore, AC square that we have to find out, AB square is 11 square plus BC square is 60 square. That is 121 plus 60 square is 6 the 36. Therefore, 121. 1, 2, 7, 3. This is AC square. Therefore, AC is 3, 7, 2, 1 square. This is AC square. Okay. Therefore, AC is, this is square root of 61. See, 61 multiplied by 61 is no. See, first 61, then 6 ones are 6, 6 are 36. 1, 12, 7, 3. See, so 61. AC is 61. Therefore, answer is, this is 61 centimeter. Therefore, answer is, length of the length of the diagonal of a rectangle of a rectangle is length of the diagonal of a rectangle is 61 centimeter. These are 2 marks questions. This okay. Fourth one is find the length of a hypotenuse of right angle triangle if remaining sides are 9 centimeter and 12 centimeter. We have to draw one right angle triangle. Here is a triangle A, B and C. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. So remaining hypotenuse, find the length of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. Remaining sides are, one is 9 centimeter and this is 12 centimeter. Okay, so solution is, here it is again, this is a right angle triangle, use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so in triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90 degree. No, therefore triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Therefore, AC square is, AB square is 9 square plus BC square is 12 square. Therefore, 9 9s are 81 plus 12 12s are 144. AC square is 81, 415, 8 4 12, 225. Therefore, AC is 15 15s. This is centimeter, 15 centimeter. Therefore, answer is length of a hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. Length of a hypotenuse. Okay, the length of a hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 15 centimeter. Fifth one is, a side of an isosceles right angle triangle is x. Find its hypotenuse. Here isosceles triangle means sides forming 90 degree. Sides makes right angle are of equal length. Okay, so let's draw one isosceles triangle. So here is a triangle. So these two identical marks shows that these two sides are equal. Okay, therefore A, B, C, and this is right angle triangle. This is a isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, so this angle ABC is a 90 degree. So triangle ABC is a given isosceles right angle triangle. The first right solution is triangle ABC is given isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, therefore AB equal to BC, isosceles because of that these two sides are equal. Triangle of X See, this is also x, this is also x. AB equal to BC, that is x. Okay. Therefore, and angle ABC is 90 degree. Okay. Therefore, ABC is a 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square, find the hypotenuse. Therefore, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square that we have to find out. AC square is, AB square is x square plus BC square is x square. Okay. Therefore, AC square is 2x square. Therefore, AC is, no, see, write like this, AC square is 2x square. AC is root 2x square, means here only root 2, x only 1x. Okay. Root 2x. AC is root 2x. So length of hypotenuse is root 2x. Therefore answer is length of the hypotenuse of a isosceles triangle is root 2x. The length of AC is root 2x. Okay. Sixth one is, in triangle PQR, PQ is root 8, QR is root 5, PR is root 3. Is triangle PQR a right angle triangle? Okay. If yes, which angle is of 90 degree? So we have to draw one triangle so that we can answer these questions. Which angle is 90 degree? No? So we have draw one triangle, right angle triangle. So here is a triangle. We have to name it. How to name it? See, here it's root 8, root 5, root 3. So hypotenuse is a bigger one, no? So P, here P comes, here Q comes. Okay. Then here PQ R. So right now PQ is root 8, QR is root 5, QR is root 5, and PR is root 3. Okay. So in triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Let's check now. So first take PQ, that is root 8 square. PQ is root 8 square. Okay. So first PQ square is root 8 square. Okay. That is root 8 into root 8 is how much? 8. PQ is 8. Okay. Then QR square, that is root 5 square. This is also QR is 5. And here QR is over PR. Okay, PR square, that is root 3 square. This is root 3 square. Okay, that is PR is 3. Okay. So therefore this is larger. So PR square, PR plus RQ, QR. Therefore PR plus QR, that is PR is 3 plus QR is 5. This is 8 equal to PQ. Therefore this is all our PQ square. Here it is. Okay. So PR square plus QR square is 3 plus 5 8. Therefore PR square plus QR square is PQ square. No? Therefore by therefore PR square plus RQ square equal to PQ square. Okay. Therefore converse of Pythagoras theorem triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Okay. Second question is, if yes, which angle is 90 degree? Angle R is a 90 degree here, because PQ is a hypotenuse, that is PR square plus RQ square equal to PQ square. No, this is 8 and this is PQ is 8. PQ square is 8. Therefore angle PRQ is a 90 degree. Therefore angle PRQ is a 90 degree. Therefore answer is triangle. Yes. What is the question? Triangle PQR is a right angle triangle? Yes. Triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, and angle PRQ is a 90 degree. Okay, PR is a 90 degree. This is the answer. Okay. In problem set 2, in 2 second one, solve the following examples of six sums. This 6 problems has got over. Okay, in my next video I'll start from number 3. Okay, so if you have any doubt or any kind of suggestions, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, then bye.